Hello everyone. Today we shall look into the cross join, how to make a cross join in Power Query. Here we have source input data where I have few categories and the region and the category sort and region sort column. Here you could see that based on the category name we have the respective regions and category sorted is with respect to the number which is allocated. And region sort we have five different regions, so it is numbered from 1 to 5. Let us see how to achieve this in Power Query. Here I have loaded the table in Power Query where we have category name, region, category sort and region sort. Okay, these are the four columns which I have. The expected output is as I have shown. Let us reference the table. I'll right click on this table 1. I'll click on this reference. Okay, once I have referenced the table, here you could see that my table 1 is referenced and this is my table 2 which is created by reference. What I'll do is I'll go to add column, okay, and I'll click on custom column. Here I'll write new column, or you can say I'll write just new. Here in the custom column formula you can write table 1. Okay, our table 1, it has the original data. I'll just click OK. Okay, here in the new column you could expand this and you could uncheck this use original name as prefix. Here we already have the category names, so let us bring all the columns first and let us understand what are the required columns. I'll just click OK. Okay, now you could see that as per the expected output we want this column. Okay, we want this category sort column, and we want this region column, and finally we want the region sort column which is present over here. Apart from this, other columns we do not require for the expected output. I'll right click and remove other columns. Okay, we could rename the columns based upon the names. Here I could rename it. I could change the data type to text, and here I could change the data type to whole number. This is the way how we do the cross join. Here you could see that every category name is aligned with respect to the region, and also the category sort is aligned along with the region sort numbered from 1 to 5. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.